And what's up, guys? Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, flying your Mavic Air from a Kindle Fire. So stay tuned for that. It's a Kindle Fire, and I'm going to leave a link in the descriptions. I'm going to leave a link in the descriptions about how you can go and download the Play Store app onto your Kindle Fire, your Amazon Kindle Fire. So that way you can download the DJI Go 4 app for your Mavic Air. So, all right, guys, we're going to test this out. I just got all the downloads on here. I'm going to start recording the video, and then I'm going to go ahead and take off, guys. So let's try it out. I'm going to do a manual takeoff.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Do a little walk around for a minute here. Just gonna check it out for a second here. Alright, here we go, guys. So far, so good. Except for it's got a little bit of, I don't know what that's going on with the screen. Kind of strange. It's got like black and white lines up here on the screen. Let's see if we can go up a little further. Okay, I still got screen. We got 14 satellites. I'm just gonna go up. I'm not going for no distance run today, guys. I just want to see how everything's working. So far the tablet's working. Okay, let me go for a little flight forward here. Pretty windy today, so I don't want to go too far here. So far it's flying okay. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna fly line to sight today, guys. So it is a little bit different. This is set up a little bit different than my phone on the app. So it's starting to get a little foggy. I'll go a couple hundred feet up. I can still see the quad. I'm only about 600 feet away, so I'm gonna do a little pan around and see how it does. So far I'm getting pretty good signal still. I'm not seeing any Wi-Fi drop out, which makes it nice. Alright, let me go ahead and push it forward some more here. Try to go sideways a little bit here. Okay, high winds. Pan around the other way here a little, so I know where I'm at. I've still got great signal right now. I'm gonna go up some more. Yeah, so far the tablet's working great. About 1100 feet. Saying high winds. I'm about 366 feet. I'm gonna leave it about there. Still pushing forward. Still got plenty of. Let's try panning down a little bit. Yeah, everything seems to be doing pretty good. Still got a solid signal. Gonna get away from these people's house here. I'm thinking I'm trying to record their property here. I just want to kind of get the slough here. About 2,000 feet. I'm getting kind of low on signal. So I'm going to go ahead and pan back this way. Okay. Now I got a better signal now. Alright guys, hey, I'm backing up the film now, and I'm using the Wi-Fi screen recording that was the caches that was recorded to my Amazon Kindle Fire. So you could see the actual Wi-Fi image is pretty good in 720p, and everything worked really well, you guys. So, you know, I'm going to leave that link down in the descriptions, guys. Appreciate you watching. This was recorded at the end of last year, 2018, maybe the beginning of 2019, but you know, this has been quite a few months ago, but it still works today, and I use it. So, alright guys, appreciate you watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.